Hello and welcome to another yey'maps video. Today we want to take a look at the elevation profile tool, which is located up here. In order to have that available, we need to go into the project settings, the map settings, and then just make sure we have this elevation profile tool checked, so it will be available on the map. Now, how does this work? I can basically digitize a line, a polyline on the map, and it will give me the profile for it. Let's just work with that lake that we have right here. And I'll use the second option here, elevation. I'll just do a straight line for now. And so with double click, and you will see that's the bottom of the lake. I can change the interval step. So now we have a nice clear bottom of the lake, and then the shoreline to the left and to the right. But I can also do basically like a path. So if I would want to go up that pinnacle here, I can go and start, let's say, here, and just I'll be very generous with my accuracy, but so this would be the way up. And again, I can smoothen out um, the profile with checking on these various steps that are available. This is a very detailed one, so it's plateauing here every now and then we get right up to the pinnacle. All right, so that's the profile. And this is all based on the Bing Maps digital terrain model. And the second option is here is just geolocation. So I can just put a point on the map and it will give me the coordinates of the um, the map in the very projection it is shown. But I also can have the latitude, longitude coordinates, and I'll just copy that and move that over to Google Maps, paste it here, hit enter, and it should take me to the pinnacle up here. Yeah, we got to switch here. Yeah, Clouds Mountain. Here we are. Yeah, that's the profile elevation tool. Easy and simple, but sometimes very useful to have without any survey. It's a digital terrain model that's provided by Microsoft Bing Maps that we use here in the background. And sometimes that's already a good indicator how your terrain is um, looking outside in the real world. Well, thanks for having us today and have a good evening or a good day wherever you are. Thank you.